Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove Inshot watermark from our video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Inshot application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select video and then select new. And then I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark. And wait guys, I'm going to change the ratio. Okay, as you can see, right after we add our video to Inshot project, the Inshot watermark will appear on our video. And I'm going to show you how we can remove this watermark from our video. If you want to remove it, actually, you need to be a pro user. But don't worry because you can still remove the watermark without being the premium user. But you need to watch ads. So if you want to remove the Inshot watermark without becoming the premium user, you need to use the free remove by watching ads. Just tap on free remove and wait for a moment. And after that, the watermark will be removed from your project. Okay, as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my project. So you need to remove it by watching the ads if you don't want to be pro user or premium user on Inshot. But actually, after you remove it, you can still use the draft to create the project. If you don't want to remove the watermark again, you can use this draft to create new project. You can just replace the video in this draft with your new video and you will be able to use this project to create a video. So let's say I'm going to replace the video with another video. You can just click on replace and you can replace it with another video you want to add it. After you export this video, you can use the draft again to create video, so you don't need to remove the watermark. Let's say I'm going to export it and then I'm going to replace the video in the draft with another video. You just need to go to the Inshot homepage and then you will be able to replace the video on the draft with another video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove Inshot watermark. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.